All right, I am Eric with Hyperx. So here's some of the products we're announcing this year. Over here, we have our Hyperx Clutch Gladiate. This is our first Xbox controller. It is officially licensed. It is a $34.99 wired controller. You can adjust the trigger pull distance, so you can shorten it here with that on the back. There are also on the back 2 programmable buttons. It has rumble, and we've made it a little bit smaller than the actual or the original Xbox controller for those that might have smaller hands. Moving on, we have our new Haste II mouse. These are the iteration of the original Pulsefire Haste, which was our first ultralight mouse. So now, instead of having the honeycomb like what you see here, we've managed to keep the weight exactly the same, or basically exactly the same, and we've filled in the honeycombs because we learned that a lot of people weren't a big fan of that. You know, dust can get in, dirt can get in, etc. In addition to that, we've now upgraded. This is our first mouse that has our own proprietary switches that are rated for 100 million clicks. This is our first mouse with our own sensor that has, it's a 26K. Also, the wired version has a 8K polling rate. Moving on from that, you can see we're showing off a lot of customizations. Most of these are not available yet, with the exception of the little Coco Cozy Cat keycap right there. But this is just to give people an idea of what we're trying to get into. You can see we've got customized versions of our Quadcast S microphone, our original Pulsefire Haste, a lot of custom keycaps, and then over here another Quadcast S, as well as an Alpha S headset right here. So the customized microphone stand also doubles as a headset stand. But that's about it as far as new products that we're announcing here at CES.